Welcome to Healthcare Bites for You. Did you know your skin does most of its healing while you sleep? If you're over 60, your night cream isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. But what if you could ditch the chemicals, save money, and nourish your skin naturally? Tonight, we'll explore the best natural night creams for mature skin, using simple, proven ingredients that work without breaking the bank. Why night creams matter after 60. As we age, our skin loses moisture, elasticity, and collagen, especially overnight. By the time we hit 60, our skin produces 75% less collagen than it did in our 20s. That's why night creams are crucial. Your skin repairs itself between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., and the right nutrients can supercharge that process. Natural creams work with your skin, not against it, to support hydration, cell turnover, and elasticity. What mature skin needs overnight? At night, mature skin needs three main things. 1. Deep moisture, to restore hydration lost during the day. 2. Repair boosters, like antioxidants and fatty acids that fight aging. 3. Gentle nourishment, ingredients that won't irritate thinning or sensitive skin. Let's look at the best natural ingredients and recipes that do exactly that. Ingredient number 1, shea butter. Shea butter is a powerhouse moisturizer. It's packed with vitamin A and E, both crucial for skin elasticity and healing. According to the American Journal of Life Sciences, shea butter can boost collagen production and help reduce fine lines. Website link available in video description. It melts into your skin and protects your natural barrier while you sleep. Ingredient number 2, rosehip oil. Rosehip seed is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, retinol, and essential fatty acids. It helps fade age spots, smooth wrinkles, and brighten the skin, all while feeling lightweight and non-greasy. Studies from the National Library of Medicine show rosehip oil improves skin texture in mature adults over just 8 weeks. Website link available in video description. Ingredient number 3, aloe vera. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns. It's perfect for sensitive, aging skin. It hydrates, calms irritation, and helps the skin absorb nutrients more effectively. Aloe contains glycoproteins and polysaccharides, which help speed up skin cell regeneration, essential after 60. Ingredient number 4, sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is high in vitamin E and omega-9 fatty acids, which nourish dry skin and reduce inflammation. It's perfect for thinning skin, which becomes more delicate with age. According to Dermatology Times, almond oil may help reverse UV damage, one of the biggest causes of aging. Website link available in video description. DIY natural night cream recipe. Easy and safe. Here's how to make a simple, natural night cream at home. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons shea butter, 1 tablespoon rosehip oil, 1 tablespoon sweet almond oil, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. Optional, 2 drops of lavender essential oil for a calming scent. Instructions: 1. Gently melt the shea butter in a double boiler. 2. Let it cool slightly, then add the oils and aloe vera. 3. Mix until smooth and creamy. 4. Store in a clean jar at room temperature or refrigerate. Apply nightly to clean skin. Just a pea-sized amount is enough. How to apply it correctly. Don't just slap it on. Here's how to maximize absorption. 1. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser. 2. Pat dry, but leave skin slightly damp. 3. Warm the cream between your fingers. 4. Gently press into the skin. Don't rub. 5. Focus on dry areas, fine lines, and neck. The neck and décolleté are often ignored, but age faster. Always include them in your night routine. Store-bought natural options for convenience. Prefer to buy instead of DIY? Here are trusted natural night creams available in the U.S. 1. Weleda Skin Food, $13. Rich in plant oils and calendula. Ideal for dry skin. 2. Burt's Bees Night Cream, $19. With royal jelly and vitamin E. 98% natural. 3. Andalou Naturals Resveratrol Night Cream, $24. Antioxidant rich, great for firming and brightening. All are widely available on Amazon, Target, and Walmart. Cautions: sensitive skin and allergies. Always do a patch test before trying a new cream, even natural ones. Apply a small amount behind your ear or on your forearm. Wait 24 hours. If there's no irritation, it's safe to use. Avoid essential oils if your skin is extremely sensitive or if you're allergic. Do you already use a night cream? What ingredients have worked best for your skin? Tell us in the comments and help others on the same journey. Empowering conclusion: your skin, your power. Aging isn't something to hide, it's something to honor. With the right care, your skin can glow, heal, and thrive at any age. You don't need celebrity brands or pricey chemicals, just ingredients that work, night after night. Take care of your skin, and it will take care of you. Sweet dreams and glowing mornings await. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our community at Healthcare Bites for You for more simple, powerful health tips. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health.